कहो ना
Well
प्यार
done.
है.
Let's learn English with Coffee with Karan.
You're not telling all. It's one of those
I
kind of
never
subjects.
tell all. That's my thing.
Yeah.
Tell all. The phrase tell all means to share everything, often secrets or personal information, without holding anything back. For example, after the investigation, the witness decided to tell all about what happened that night.
Now you're over that whole what happened with last time and what happened on that couch with you.
Are
and
you
Sona.
over it?
I'm over it. It all
I'm over it. I'm over it means that someone is no longer upset, bothered, or affected by something that happened in the past. It's like they have moved on and don't care about it anymore. For example, I used to worry about what people think, but now I am over it.
Did you ever think that you would be where you are today?
No. I didn't even think I was going to be an actor. I mean, I wanted to be an engineer, remember?
Right.
And then I suddenly stumbled upon everything that happened. And
Stumble upon. Stumble upon means to find something by accident or without planning. For example, I was just browsing the internet when I stumbled upon a really interesting article.
I've known her through common friends, and we've always got along. And I really feel that, it's more of a hype about the fact that two girls can't get along. Yeah.
Get along. Get along means to have a good relationship with someone and to be friendly or compatible. When people get along, they like each other, work well together, and don't argue much. For example, my sister and I get along very well.
Unless I'm
Anushka.
living in this bubble.
I think you are. If you think you're Anushka Sharma's friend, you're definitely living in a bubble.
Live in a bubble. Living in a bubble means being isolated from the outside world or not experiencing things outside your own small, safe environment. For example, she lives in a bubble and doesn't know much about the struggles other people face.
What happens when men hit on you in the industry? Leading actors, celebrities.
Hit on someone. Hit on someone is a phrase that means showing romantic or sexual interest in someone, usually in a way that is flirtatious. For example, she felt uncomfortable when a stranger started hitting on her at the bar.
The one thing to do is be firm. I don't smile.
You don't smile. No.
I'm firm. I'm very clear. And that rubs people off the wrong way sometimes.
All right.
Rub someone the wrong way. Rub someone the wrong way means to make someone feel annoyed, upset, or uncomfortable, often without intending to. For example, I think I accidentally rubbed him the wrong way by asking too many personal questions.
It's like everybody's like calling you an actress now. Did you feel at one point of time slighted a little bit by the industry reaction to you?
No, it's
Slighted. Slighted means feeling hurt, ignored, or disrespected because someone has treated you badly or not given you the attention you think you deserve. For example, after being slighted by her friends at the party, she decided to leave early.
I was very close to my dad. He's the most important man in my life who will ever exist. In every form, he was my friend. He was my confidant.
Confidant. A confidant is a person you trust and feel comfortable sharing your private thoughts, feelings, or secrets with. For example, I consider my mom to be my confidant because I can tell her anything without fear of judgment.
Honest or diplomatic? Make up your mind.
Diplomatic can be honest. It's not lying.
It's a
just
fine
not
line.
telling.
Fine line. The phrase fine line refers to a very small or subtle difference between two things, often making it hard to tell them apart. For example, there's a fine line between confidence and arrogance in leadership. I hope you found the lesson helpful and enjoyable. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. See you in the next lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.